Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing Pokemon trading card game. This was a gift from my parents today. So guys, let's unbox it. Okay. There's an Umbreon on top and there's a Pikachu and there's Ash. And all the Nintendo stuff. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god. They got burning shadows, and they got more burning shadows. They got two set of cards. Okay, so guys, I don't know which one to open first. I'm gonna open this like holographic one first. Okay, guys. Okay. First one is this guy. He's holographic a bit, and then you got this guy. Can't read the names because it's kind of hard. Okay, now this guy. Guys, look, this guy looks like a burger and something else, a flower. Oh guys, I have this in Pokemon Go. I have this. I don't have this. Oh my god, guys, we got a good one. It's a bigger version of Electabuzz. Wow. I have this in Pokemon Go. Ooh, this is a new one. So guys, this one I don't have. I have. This one I don't have. GX. Cool. I have this. So guys, just look at all the things that there is. Magma, Energy Leaf, then you got this guy, and then this guy. Eevee, I have that. Guys, my name is Evaan, so Eevee is kind of like me. Guys, I hope I get the Charizard this episode. I love myself a Charizard. Okay, so guys, what's the last card? Tide now. I think no, I don't have it. Okay. Now guys, we'll open a pack. Okay. Bunny, we just got that. Gruesome. This guy. This guy. This guy. This guy. Oh my god. Guys, I don't have this. Guys, my brother just... Okay, so guys, this is the last card. Now, let's open a pack. Again. I think this is gonna be a good one. Got Nightmares, and then oh my god, two glowing cards. I don't know what these called. Okay, so guys, look, this another GX, and we got a normal version of that card. And guys, look, I'll just show you guys all the cards. Another GX. You will have 3 or 4 GX. I really hope we get a Charmander, Charmeleon, or a Charizard. Normally Electabuzz, that's also good. Okay. Trubbish, Meowth, Lucario. Okay. A golden trainer. This is so rare. Oh my god, guys, this is a cool pack. Charmander, are you look? Charmander. Pikachu, my brother's favorite Pokemon. Oh my god. Guys,
How we get
so
that?
cool. I don't know. Now let's go in the packs again. Okay. Come on, be a good one. Be a good one. Okay. I think we don't have this. The rainbow card. Okay. Last pack. Yeah. And what we get Charizard or Squirtle or Bulbasaur or Venusaur. On the first packet, this guy. Okay. This guy. Unit Energy. There are all new ones on this. I don't even have them in Pokemon Go form. The Punch and this guy. This is shiny. So guys, this was such a cool pack. I loved it. Especially when we got the Charmander and Pikachu. That was the best part of it. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Guys, bye. Leave a like and subscribe if you want more Pokemon videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.